The announcement that the United Arab Emirates will acquire 20 units of the C-390 Millennium from Brazil marks a defining moment in the evolution of Middle Eastern military aviation, signaling not only a significant leap in the UAE's strategic airlift capabilities but also a broader shift in global defense partnerships. In a deal that underscores deepening ties between Abu Dhabi and Brasilia, the agreement with Embraer positions the UAE as the first operator of the C-390 Millennium in the Middle East, opening a new chapter in regional air mobility, logistics, and rapid deployment doctrines. The acquisition reflects the UAE's consistent approach toward diversifying its defense procurement portfolio while investing in advanced, flexible platforms capable of meeting modern battlefield and humanitarian demands. For decades, military transport aviation in the Gulf has largely been dominated by legacy systems sourced from Western manufacturers, particularly the United States and Europe, but the introduction of the C-390 Millennium into UAE service signals a willingness to embrace alternative suppliers and cutting-edge solutions tailored to contemporary operational needs. At the heart of this landmark agreement lies the C-390 Millennium itself, a next-generation multi-mission transport aircraft designed to operate across a wide range of scenarios, from tactical troop deployments to strategic cargo transport, aerial refueling, disaster relief, and medical evacuation. Developed by Embraer, the aircraft represents Brazil's most ambitious foray into the global defense aviation market, combining advanced avionics, high payload capacity, and jet-powered performance that distinguishes it from traditional turboprop transports. With a maximum payload of approximately 26 tons, the C-390 offers the ability to transport armored vehicles, helicopters, pallets, and personnel with exceptional speed and efficiency, while its modern fly-by-wire system enhances flight control precision and reduces pilot workload. The aircraft's versatility is further enhanced by its capability to operate from unpaved and semi-prepared runways, making it particularly suited to the diverse operational environments of the Middle East, where rapid response and logistical flexibility are critical. For the UAE, the decision to procure the C-390 Millennium is rooted in a strategic vision that prioritizes agility, resilience, and technological superiority. The country has long positioned itself as a regional leader in defense modernization, investing heavily in advanced platforms across air, land, and sea domains. From cutting-edge fighter jets to sophisticated missile defense systems, the UAE's armed forces have consistently sought to maintain a qualitative edge, ensuring readiness to address both conventional and asymmetric threats. The addition of the C-390 fleet will significantly enhance the UAE's ability to project power, support allied operations, and respond to emergencies both domestically and internationally. In particular, the aircraft's rapid deployment capabilities will enable the UAE to strengthen its role as a key contributor to coalition operations, peacekeeping missions, and humanitarian assistance efforts. The significance of this deal extends beyond the immediate operational benefits, reflecting broader geopolitical and economic dynamics shaping the global defense landscape. The partnership between the UAE and Brazil highlights the growing importance of South-South cooperation, as emerging economies increasingly collaborate on high-value technological projects. Brazil's aerospace industry, led by Embraer, has steadily gained recognition for its innovation and competitiveness, challenging established players in both the commercial and military aviation sectors. By selecting the C-390 Millennium, the UAE is not only acquiring a state-of-the-art platform but also reinforcing its commitment to fostering diverse international partnerships that reduce dependence on traditional suppliers and promote greater strategic autonomy. From Brazil's perspective, the agreement represents a major milestone in the international success of the C-390 program. Since its introduction, the aircraft has attracted interest from several countries seeking modern alternatives to aging transport fleets, but the UAE's order stands out due to its scale and strategic significance. Securing a foothold in the Middle East, a region known for its substantial defense budgets and high operational demands, positions Embraer to expand its presence and compete more effectively in the global market. The deal is expected to generate significant economic benefits for Brazil, including job creation, technology development, and increased export revenues, while also enhancing the country's reputation as a leading provider of advanced aerospace solutions. The operational advantages of the C-390 Millennium are particularly relevant to the UAE's unique security environment. Situated at the crossroads of critical maritime routes and surrounded by regions experiencing varying degrees of instability, the UAE requires a robust and flexible logistics network capable of supporting rapid response operations. The aircraft's high cruise speed, long range, and ability to perform aerial refueling missions make it an ideal platform for sustaining operations over extended distances, whether in the Arabian Peninsula, the Horn of Africa, or beyond. Additionally, its advanced cargo handling system allows for quick loading and unloading, minimizing turnaround times and maximizing operational efficiency. Humanitarian missions represent another key area where the C-390 is expected to play a vital role. The UAE has built a strong reputation as a global leader in disaster relief and humanitarian assistance, frequently deploying aid to regions affected by natural disasters, conflicts, and health crises. The versatility of the C-390 Millennium will enable the UAE to enhance these efforts, providing rapid transport of medical supplies, food, shelter equipment, and emergency personnel. Its ability to operate in austere environments ensures that aid can reach remote or damaged areas where traditional infrastructure may be compromised, reinforcing the UAE's commitment to global humanitarian initiatives. The technological sophistication of the C-390 Millennium also aligns with the UAE's broader ambitions to integrate advanced systems and digital capabilities into its armed forces.